Now we can create an Windows EC2 instance in AWS, and we can add a disk to it. So already I log into my account and I choose a region as Mumbai. So let us go to EC2 dashboard. Because nothing is no instance is running now. Many security groups are available and key pairs are available. Launch an instance. So click tick for a free tier. So I'm launching a Windows server. Okay, I'm using type as T2 micro. And what is T2 micro? Which will provide one core CPU and 1 GB RAM. So I'm launching. See here we uh, we need a key pair for login to our account. I have already a Windows key pair. I have already created Windows key. If you want new one, you can create new one. If you put a name, and you can download that key pair and save it to in somewhere, which will be available in PEM format. So I'm choosing an existing one, Windows key. That one is already created for me. I'm launching the instance. So you are launching your instance now. So view the instance. See, it's pending, it's creating. Some previous machines are there. We already terminated. It's showing. So I'm naming it as Windows AC2. Okay, so it's running and initializing. Okay. See the basic setups. What is DNS name, public IP, instance ID, and status, instance type, network security group, and root disk available. This STA1 is created while the instance is launching. You can see that one here. See 30 GB. So let's go to instance, choose it. I'm trying to connect it. So get password. So it is not yet available because instance is initializing. Once it finished, we can create the password. So let's wait a few moments. Meantime, we can do one thing. I'm plan to attach a disk in this instance. I hope now it will find. No, not it. So leave it. Let's go to volume. So just I'm creating a volume. There are many options available. General purpose SSD, provisioned SSD, cold HDD, or throughput optimized HDD. I'm just using general purpose HDD as 5 GB. And one more thing, I'm creating it in 1A South 1A availability zone. Create it. And one more volume I'm creating, say in 8 GB, which is I'm creating 1B. Why I'm creating this, I'll say reason. See, we are creating, sorry, I created two volumes with 5 and 8 GB in different availability zone. One is in South 1B and one South 1A. So why I am doing this? because our instance is launched in one availability zone, which means it's in a data center. So your volume should be in same data center. Otherwise, it will not detect. It will not able to attach on that instance. If it is in different availability zone or a different region, you cannot add to the instance. Why? Because the VM and the volume should be in same availability zone, which means in same data center. So two volumes are created. Just leave it here. Let's check the instance. I think instance is in here. The two by two check is fine. Two by two check in the sense. Come to okay. Sorry. Uh, this is what status check. See, two by two in the sense system status check and instance check, which will give something related to instance. Leave it. This is not my our priority. So I'm going to connect it. Get password. So here I'm going to choose the Windows key PEM file. So remember one thing, when you launch an in Linux instance, we will convert PEM file to PPK. We will use PPK file for Linux instance. But whereas in Windows, we will directly use PEM file. So decrypt password. So I got my password. So I'm copying this. Username is administrator. Just launch remote test. Connect. So give the password. Okay. Yeah. So it's login. This is what our EC2 Windows instance look like. So let's do. Sorry. See this our 30 GB root file. Sorry, root volume. Now we can attach created volume to the instance. So let's go to volume. See 8 and 5 GB volumes are created. Just click one attach volume. So this is in 1B, South 1B. See the instance is available here. Attach it. Fine. Check this one. Sorry, actually these two are selected. Wait for a few seconds. Come on. Okay. Let's check this one and try to attach, which is South 1A. I'm checking for my instance. See, no matching instance are available here, which means no instance available here. Actually, I'm not creating an instance on South 1A availability zone. Only available in South 1B, which is our Windows instance. So, which means both the volume and the instance should be at same availability zone. So this volume is not required for us. I'm deleting it. Why? Because if you don't delete, you will be charged. It will be chargeable. You should pay for it. So remove it. Now come to instance. Okay, before that, the 8 GB you added to the instance attachment. See, it is attached to the instance. Well, you can check here. So it's not available till it is not. Oh, sorry, this is not available here. We need to initialize it. So just check and just disk. A little slow. Okay, it will come. Wait a moment. Patience is required. Okay. D K I. Okay. Create and format hard disk partition. Yes. See this. 8 GB is allocated. Now we need to add it. So click online. Choose it and click online and initialize disk. I'm using GPT partition. Okay. So partition is finished. Convert to dynamic disk. Okay. Think sorry. Convert to MBR. Sorry. No need to do any. No, I'm actually doing GPT partition, so converting GPT partition. So I just changed for because I just confused. Sorry. Leave it and right click on this disk and new symbol volume. Just next using all maximum size and symbol volume size minimum disk space. Okay, I'll leave as it is. Assigning following lecture. Okay, NTFS file system. Got it. Finish it. Yeah, it's formatting and a new NTFS file system is created over here. Gotcha. See, the disk is available here. The 8 GB disk is available here, so you can use it. Sorry. Uh, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to detach this disk from, sorry, detaching this volume. Okay, yes, detach. See, the disk is removed from here. So basic root volume of the C drive is available with 30 GB. Fine, we launch an instance, we add a disk and we partitioned it and we used it and detached it. Okay, thank you. We can see you on next video. And before that, shut down and don't forget to delete the instance and both volume. Otherwise, you should pay. Terminate it. Instance, you can terminate here and in volume, select the volume, action, delete the volume. Okay, so I'm deleting this volume. Yeah, it's deleting. Okay, it's working fine. Hope you enjoy, practice, and play well.